Kerala Public Service Commission, Departmental Exam, Kerala PWD Account Code. 4/5/2023 നടന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ, സോൾഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: Rules for appointment to the cadre of divisional accountants are given in Appendix dash of the Kerala Public Works Account Code. Appendix 2 of the Kerala Public Works Account Code. Option C. Charges for examination of the soil for the foundations of works should be treated as. Option B. Outlay on works. Question number 3. The expenditure on inauguration ceremonies connected with the inauguration of a commercial irrigation project should be debited to the. Option B. Revenue account of the project. Question number 4. As per paragraph dash of the Kerala Public Works Account Code, contractors should be encouraged to scrutiny their ledger accounts. Option D. 10.7.9 of the Kerala Public Works Account Code. Question number 5. Which of the following facilitate more the preparation of estimates? Option C. Schedule of rates. Question number 6. Contractor's ledger is a dash account. Option A. Personal account. Question number 7. The permanent and collective record of the expenditure incurred in the division during a year on each work is the. Option B. Register of Works. Question number 8. Account is opened in works abstract to record a transactions of a temporary character and the correct classification of which cannot be immediately determined. Option C. Suspense. Question number 9. Refunds of rents realized should be shown separately as dash in the register of rents. Option A. Minus realization. Question number 10. All revenue receipts of the division should be classified and abstracted in a register of. Option D. Revenue. Question number 11. Remission of irrigation revenue and cash payment allowed after its collection should be treated as dash of revenue. Option A. Refund of revenue. Question number 12. Remission of irrigation revenue allowed before collection should be treated as dash of demands. Option B. Reduction of demands. Question number 13. When revenue from irrigation is realized in the Land Revenue Department, the collections made in the Land Revenue Department are paid direct into. Option B. Treasuries. Question number 14. The sale proceeds of trees in the compound of public office and felled during the course of execution of a public work should be credited to dash account. Option A. Public Works Miscellaneous. Question number 15. Transfer entries cannot be used to. Option C. Adjust value of materials issued from stock. Question number 16. Surplus metal found in a road work by way of check measurement should be. Option A. Brought onto the quantity accounts. Question number 17. An abstract of the entire receipts and disbursements of a month in a divisional office can be termed as. Option A. Monthly account. Question number 18. The rules contained in the Kerala Public Works Account Code are supplementary to the general rules of the. Option C. Kerala Financial Code. Question number 19. The accounts of receipts and disbursements of a division are compiled monthly under the supervision of the. Option B. Divisional officer. Question number 20. A divisional accountant cannot be acted as. Option C. Disbursing officer. Question number 21. The excess expenditure in excess of the deposit received shall be classified as. Option B. Miscellaneous public works advances. Question number 22. Account of all cash transactions in a division should be maintained in the cash book in KPW form number. Option A 1. Question number 23. An error of classification in the original account can be corrected by proposing. Option A transfer entry order. Question number 24. Standard measurement books of buildings are maintained in order to facilitate the preparation of estimates for dash repair works. Option C periodical repair works. Question number 25. Any order to the Public Works Department to execute a particular public work at the particular place at the particular amount can be termed as. Option A administrative sanction. Question number 26. Financial transactions which do not involve the giving or receiving of cash or stock materials are accounted by. Option A book transfer. Question number 27. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India is related to charged expenditure? Option A 202. Question number 28. Which of the following expenditure is not charged on the consolidated fund of the state? Option D. Original works in the High Court of Kerala. Question number 29. The incidence of expenditure between voted and charged is determined by the relevant provision of the. Option D. Constitution of India. The forms prescribed in the Kerala Public Works Account Code are included in the. Option C Book of Forms. Question number 31. Most rules in the Kerala Public Works Account Code are. Option C both 1 and 2. Account rules issued by the Accountant General, financial rules issued by the state government. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 32. The Register of Divisional Accountants objection is prepared as per KPW form. Option C 57. Question number 33. Who is ultimately responsible for keeping the expenditure within the allotment for the division? Option B Divisional Officer. Question number 34. The original standard measurement books should be kept in the personal custody of the dash in the divisional office. Option D Divisional Accounts Officer. Question number 35. KPW form 21 is related to. Option D measurement book. Question number 36. The expression used to describe the extent of work done and measured is. Option A quantity. Question number 37. The last payment made to a contractor on a running account upon completion of his contract and to settle the account in full is termed as. Option D final payment. The incidental expenses of a miscellaneous nature that pertain to a work and cannot correctly classified under any distinct subhead or subwork shall be accounted as. Option A contingencies. Question number 39. Expenditure which is not subject to the vote of the Legislative Assembly is called. Option D charges expenditure. Question number 40. The order of competent authority sanctioning a properly detailed estimate of a work to be carried out in the Public Works Department is called. Option C technical sanction. Question number 41. The general principles to be followed in the classification of civil work expenditure are laid down in Article 33 of the. Option A Kerala Account Code. Question number 42. The divisional accountant is required to inspect the accounts of subdivisions under his division at least. Option A once in a year. Question number 43. The maintenance of separate accounts in the subdivisional and divisional offices for recording the cost of individual works as well as the transactions of individual contractors are known as. Option D works accounts. Question number 44. The primary object of the accounts of work is to exhibit accurately. Option B the actual cost of work done. Question number 45. Must rolls should be prepared in KPW form? Option D, 19. Question number 46. Subsequent payments of unpaid wages recorded in the register of unpaid wages should be made on? Option B, hand receipt. Question number 47. Which of the following can be considered as most important work account record? Option A, measurement book. Question number 48. The register of measurement books in a division should be kept in KPW form? Option D, 84. Question number 49. All payments for works done should be based on the quantities recorded in the? Option D, measurement book. Question number 50. Register in Kerala Public Works form number 95A or 95B are maintained in subdivisional and divisional offices for noting the progress of the? Option C, receipt, review and return of measurement books. Question number 51. The paragraph in the Kerala Public Works account code which relate to check measurement of work is? Option A, 10.2.15. Question number 52. The numerical account of all departmental materials brought onto the site of a work for use on that work is known as? Option A, material at site, MAS. The PWD engineering workshop is intended for? Option D, all government departments. Issues of materials when a work is done through contractors whose agreements are for labor only is termed as? Option B, issue direct to works. Question number 55. The simpler form of works abstract suitable for minor work estimate is? Option C, KPW form 28. Question number 56. The registers of works are posted monthly from? Option A, works abstracts. Question number 57. Who will be held responsible for the correctness of the contractor's ledger? Option A, the divisional accountant. Question number 58. In a dash contract, the contractor agrees to execute a complete work with all its contingencies in accordance with the drawings and specifications for a fixed sum. Option D, lump sum. Question number 59. Which of the following transaction cannot be recorded under the head miscellaneous public works advances? Option D, fine imposed on contractors. Question number 60. Deposit balance unclaimed for the last 3 account years can be considered as? Option B, lapsed deposit. Question number 61. A consolidated record of the transactions of a month relating to all deposit works of the division should be prepared in the form of? Option A, schedule of deposit works. Question number 62. As per the provisions of the Kerala Public Works Account Code, which of the following is equal to cash? Option D, a small supply of 10 paise revenue stamps. Question number 62. As per the provisions of the? Question number 63. All realizations and payments of government account made by the subordinates of dash are made on his behalf and responsibility. Option B, the divisional officer. Question number 64. Who is the primary disbursing officer of the divisional office? Option C, the divisional officer. Question number 65. When any measurements recorded in the measurement book are cancelled, the cancellation must be supported by? Option C, either 1 or 2. That is, the dated initials of the officer ordering the cancellation, or by a reference to the order of the officer ordering the cancellation initialed by the officer who made the measurements. Question number 66. Contractors who are able to prepare their own bills should be supplied with the connected forms and dash for entering quantities in the bills. Option B, measurement sheet. Question number 67. All the standard measurement books maintained in a division should be numbered in? Option D, an alphabetical series. Question number 68. Any pages of a measurement book left blank inadvertently must be cancelled by option D, diagonal lines and attesting the cancellation. Question number 69. Which of the following is not a true statement with regard to measurements recorded in a measurement book? Option D. If a mistake is made, it should be erased by the responsible officer. Question number 70. The divisional officer is under obligation to submit his accounts to dash for audit and for incorporation in the state accounts. Option B, the accountant general. Question number 71. As soon as bills are passed for payment, every page of the measurement book containing the detailed measurement of the work are option C, crossed off. Question number 72. When a divisional accountant is about to be relieved of his duties in a divisional office, then he should prepare a option C, memorandum reviewing the accounts of the division. Question number 73. In the event of closure of a division, the unused forms in partly used receipt books should be option C, cancelled under the initials of the officer in charge of the closed division. Question number 74. Full details of all account records destroyed from time to time in a division should be maintained permanently in KPW form. Option A, 89. Question number 75. The initial accounts of cash in a subdivisional office should be closed on option C, the last working day of the calendar month. Question number 76. Which of the following officer is described as directional and special officer in the Kerala Public Works Account Code? Option C, Chief Engineer. Question number 77. In the case of the Chief Engineer's office, purchase of drawing material will be treated as option A, contingent charges. Question number 78. A standing advance of a fixed sum of money given to an officer to enable him to make certain class of disbursements can be called option C, interest. Question number 79. In order to control the issue of materials to individual works with reference to the estimated requirements, dash account is used. Option A, materials at site. Question number 80. All temporary transactions recorded under suspense accounts are ultimately removed by option D, payment or recovery or adjustment. Question number 81. A manufacturer account is essentially a option B, suspense account. Question number 82. To ensure the proper performance of the duties imposed on the divisional accountant under the Kerala Public Works Account Code, he should have no hand in option B, preparing the bills of contractors. Question number 83. Unused balances of road metal should be verified at least option B, once a year. Question number 84. The capital charges on the special services connected with the construction, repairs and maintenance of work is known as option B, works outlay. Question number 85. The term work includes option D, all the above. Supply, repair and carriage of tools and plant, supply or manufacture of stores, operations of workshop, all the above. Question number 86. Which of the following is not a public works deposit? Option B, interest bearing securities. Question number 87. Which of the following kind of deposits do not pass through the regular accounts of the division? Option B, interest bearing securities. Question number 88. The interest bearing securities are usually deposited by option C, contractors. Question number 89. Security deposits of contractors shall be ultimately option D, refunded or appropriated or forfeited. Question number 90. Deposits credited to government can be repaid with the pre-audit and authorization by the option C, accountant general. Question number 91. A record of the transactions relating to public works or deposits should be maintained in the divisional office in a register in the same form as option D, the suspense register. Question number 92. The transactions recorded under the head miscellaneous public works advances are divided into dash classes. Option C, 4 classes. Question number 93. Schedule of deposits is extracted from the option B deposit register. Question number 94. Government officers entrusted with the fixed interest or temporary advances should maintain accounts of their disbursements in KPW form. Option B 2. Question number 95. Temporary advance is accounted for in the same way is option B an interest. Question number 96. When a correction is permissible in the accounts of a divisional office, it should be made by a formal option A transfer entry. Question number 97. When a misclassification is detected in expenditure head, then the error option B can be corrected before the accounts of the year are closed. Question number 98. Who is responsible that all corrections in accounts advised by the accountant general are specially brought to the notice of the divisional officer? Option D, the divisional accountant. Question number 99. Sets of guidance questions for conducting subdivisional inspection by the divisional accountant are contained in dash of the Kerala Public Works Account Code. Option D, Appendix 7. Question number 100. Which of the following is accounted for under PW deposits for which no appropriation is required? Option C, both 1 and 2. That is, expenditure on non-government works, repayment of deposits.